Hey, what's up, everybody? I am super excited to have my girls back for a fun girls' night. And how can you have a girls' night without amazing cocktails and appetizers? So thank you to WW for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this video. You girls ready?
So ready.
Bonding time with your girlfriends is the best, right, ladies? Because you get to catch up on what's been going on. I feel like it's an ab workout because you guys make me laugh the whole time.
Right.
Like, I love that we don't have to go
outside
to somewhere. Yeah. You might not even wear makeup.
Oh, I'm definitely not wearing makeup.
Luba attempted to wear a robe this entire day.
Really?
She's like, can I come over in my robe? But you really could do that with your girlfriends if you just want to come over in your PJs, put a baseball cap, no makeup. Like, that's how real girlfriends hang out.
Exactly. Absolutely.
So the summer is officially over, and now I know our lives are getting even crazier going into the fall. So let's catch up. What have you been up to?
Oh, I'm gearing up for getting ready to go on tour.
Ravon is a singer, everyone, and she is getting ready to go on tour. I'm super excited about it. Tell us all about it.
Yes, I'm going on a month-long tour with Tori Kelly.
Yeah.
She's incredible.
She's amazing.
Yeah, and you know what? You know what else I did this summer?
What?
I worked on Israel's record.
That's okay. A lot of people don't know the background vocals. Every time you hear a girl, that's Ravon singing.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, she sounded incredible.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It's like
So,
on repeat.
Album is amazing.
Tori Kelly also has a gospel album now.
And I'm on that too. And I'm going on tour.
Look at that,
That's
just singing for the Lord.
No, you're not.
And is it a month-long tour?
It's a month.
Oh, wow.
Get that stamina up. What have you been up to?
Traveled all summer.
Yeah.
Went to Europe.
You're always traveling, not just
love
for
to
the
travel.
summer.
Always somewhere.
She's always
Yeah.
somewhere.
We went to Spain and France and UK, so we did a little bit of that. What have you been doing besides traveling?
I know.
All over Europe.
I am
which was
back
amazing,
at
you
the
guys, by
Real,
way.
waking up again at 3 o'clock in the morning, so working a lot, but I am really working towards a healthier lifestyle. Like I said, I want to be in that bikini next summer. So they say abs are made in the winter. So this is the perfect time to actually start getting in like the best shape of my life.
With some sangria.
This is a healthy sangria.
Oh, really?
Yes, get ready for it. About to put you on.
Put me on.
So I'm super focused. I actually downloaded the WW app, and WW used to be like Weight Watchers. I'm checking out the program, and all of this deliciousness right here, I got all these recipes off of the app. Boom.
Yeah, and this liquor over here?
Yes, even the sangria. You would never think that like when you're on a fully healthy diet, you could have sangria, right?
No, because I don't even drink when I'm like eating super clean and healthy.
Well, I just.
Well, exactly. But that's the dope thing about this is that you don't
red
have
wine
to.
I could do.
You could do red wine, but like the great thing about this is you can still eat all the stuff that you normally would eat, but you just use the app to actually check out, okay, how many points is this? Like, I love that. Even if I'm eating out at a restaurant, I can go on there and be like, okay, this is something I want to order. How many points is this, and how does that work out for my program?
Sangria has points.
These both, the white and the red sangria, are both under 4 points. So you just figure out how many points you have for the day. No, you cannot drink the entire pitcher. I know how you're looking at it.
totally eyeing.
Because I'm like,
Less
wait a
than
second.
4 points.
Save all my points
Exactly.
for that.
Hey, and you can if that's what you choose to do. That's on you, boo.
Ooh.
Exactly. You want white or you want red?
Red, please.
Oh my God,
Red.
it smells so yummy.
I'm gonna try with the white. See, this one has strawberries and apples, but you also can do pear and cherry. Or are we fancy over here?
Adrienne?
Okay. Oh, this was for you. Sorry.
Yeah, what about her?
Adrienne, hand that over. That is not yours. And I'm gonna do this one, which is in the white sangria. You guys, those are peaches.
Peaches.
I know, peaches and apples. See, you're gonna want to switch it up in a second. I can feel it.
Probably will.
So try both.
It
Cheers,
smells
ladies.
so yummy. Cheers.
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 Look me in my eyes.
So important.
Exactly. You see how good it is?
No, it's.
And then you don't
so
feel like
good.
you're restricting yourself. And I actually, and I actually feel like you end up eating less and more responsibly because you're like, oh wow, that's good. Like that just hit my craving, you know?
Yeah.
And it's like just enough, so you're not gonna end up drinking the whole thing, you know what I mean? I also think it's important that on top of just eating right, like having an altogether healthier lifestyle, like this one, remember we did that marathon run?
Yes.
Well, you actually did the full thing. I did like the bootleg version of it.
You walked?
Like,
You walked?
No,
No,
I
she
only
ran.
did like
She
when you
did?
got it started.
Yeah, when we first started.
It was downtown, all
Yeah.
through downtown. That was so much fun.
like a prep run.
I can't even picture.
You can't.
No.
That's the problem. I need people to picture me running.
I don't.
She did it though. She ran.
I really did. This one does like full on marathon.
Not
so
full marathon.
What did you do?
Halves. I did
Half.
2 halves. It was like the best experience I've ever had. We should totally form a team. It would be so much fun.
And actually do
And
this.
actually do it. I
We
promise
should
you
do
guys will
this.
love it.
And I feel like at the end, you'll feel so accomplished. You'll feel like, yes, I did that. That was awesome.
I would do it as like just to challenge myself.
Yeah, that's all it's for.
This one tries to wake me up at the crack of dawn to go do hot Pilates.
I mean, you're already up at 3 in the morning.
You've done it though before,
Yeah.
and you were addicted for a little bit.
Yeah,
and then
I
you
loved
stopped.
it. It's just because I have to get back to work. Like being at work,
That is
and I know
true.
so many women can relate to that. The fact that like, you know, with your busy schedules, you have to make time for yourself. You have to make time for self-care. You have to make time to even like prep your foods and make sure that you're living a healthy lifestyle. And that's really what I'm trying to do. So all this talk about exercising is making me hungry. Am I the only one? No. All right, ladies, I'm gonna grab you some plates. I literally got all of these recipes off of the app, and I'm gonna show you in a second. Here you go, girl.
That's why you need to work out.
I know. I was like, why does the plate feel heavy? Okay, this is Greek artichoke dip with capers and dill. And what's super cool about it is that it's made with fat-free Greek yogurt.
Dip in. And...
Don't you like that when there's like guilt-free food?
So how many points is this?
Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. This is what's so dope. Here's the app. Okay, so see, it's so easy. You go on the app and you put in search. Like this is Greek artichoke dip, right? And then look at that, in recipes. And then it tells you how many points. Read that out loud.
0.
Boom.
No way.
That's, you can eat this. This is 0 points.
So you can have this whole...
Yes, you can enjoy that.
Situation, right?
That whole
The whole
situation
thing,
just for
the whole
you.
situation.
Then I'm gonna put in this, like I'm about to serve you guys these skewers. So I'll show you guys this one. Tomato, basil, mozzarella. Let's see how much is in this. Okay, here it goes. Tomato, mozzarella skewers. Look how cute. I did a good job.
You did.
You did.
Haha, looks the same. And literally I just used string cheese to make that.
Oh.
You put the basil and it's just cherry tomatoes.
So is it... It's,
And 3 points.
So you
so
know
is it
what's
3
crazy?
points per skewer?
Yeah.
Is that how it works?
What's crazy is
One
though,
serving.
if I wasn't looking at the app, I would think that this would be more.
Yeah.
See?
That's crazy.
Yeah, because this looks heartier, right?
Right.
But like then you can use it with like cucumbers or carrots and you have options of like what you can pick it up with. Or the asparagus wrapped with prosciutto. Like that looks fly.
Yeah, it's really good.
Exactly, I'm just grabbing some things. You want one? Boom. 3 points right here.
Okay, so what is this right here? Is this hummus?
That is actually white bean dip, and I actually made it in the blender. And, like you can use any kind of blender. It's a food processor or a blender. And then I got store-bought pesto on the top, and you just put tomatoes and some pine nuts. Isn't that cute?
Oh my god, this is so good.
It really is. Look at me, culinary artiste.
Oh, you did that.
And I like that it's like store-bought pesto. I'm like, yes, one less thing I have to do. Ravon, do you have like a specific diet when you go on tour? Is there something you can't do? Like some people, some singers don't do any dairy.
Yeah, dairy is horrible for you right before. I mean, it's
Really?
like it brings up all that.
Oh, the
all
mucus.
that mucus and it's there, and we hear it. So.
And we hear it. This is what your girlfriends are good for. They give you all the tips on the things they're doing. Like I hate girlfriends that don't share their beauty secrets. You know when you meet a girl?
Selfish, and they don't want to tell you.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm like, girl, what are you doing? Oh, you know, I just been stop lying. Tell me what you're doing. You gotta put your girls on.
Seriously.
Adrienne actually taught me how to do my makeup.
Really?
Hey,
She did.
That's what I do.
When I stayed with her in New York.
I even how to put lashes on
Yep.
and stuff like
Can
that.
you please teach me how to put lashes
You
on?
still don't know how
No,
to?
I don't.
Let me tell you what the key is. You have to push them up. You have to put your lashes up. If they like are facing down this way, a lot of
No,
people
I
put
even buy
lashes
the
on.
wispy ones.
Really? But you gotta like really curl them and make sure that they're like
Can
open.
you just show me how to do it?
I will.
Because-
I got you.
I put mine on in the car.
No, like
Really?
you can get so good at it.
You are just a professional now, huh?
She's been practicing.
practicing.
You just do it so much to the point where you're like, oh, this is second nature. I got this, and you keep it pushing. Swear. So which one is your favorite? What would you say is your
I'm
favorite?
gonna go
This
with
one's
the
my-
bean dip, yeah.
Yo, okay, not gonna lie, bean dip, but also this artichoke. The Greek artichoke is bomb. Yeah, I'm into
This
it.
with the cucumber is amazing.
That bean dip is phenomenal.
I love basil anything, so pesto on anything, bomb. So we're just gonna keep eating all this amazing food, right, girls?
Yeah.
We have so much to continue to catch up on. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite snacks are for your girls' night in. And if you wanna join the WW Freestyle program, click on the link below. Thank you to WW for collaborating with me on this fabulous girls' night in and for sponsoring this video. Mwah. I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.